What is all of this? You have balloons in your toy room? How's that? Why's that? Did you get balloons for your birthday? Oh. How old are you today?
2.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No, it's your birthday, so how old are you now?
2. Then no, you're 2 right now, but you're turning 3. What did I do right now? I maybe
This,
3
and today you turn
2.
3. You're a 3-year-old now.
I do.
Mm.
I got my mommy. I do. Mommy, I do. Oh, I see, Daddy.
Yeah, I know. I just told you that.
And so did I.
Excuse me. How old are you?
6. I was about to throw this right here. Oh, my friend missed it. Cheese. Oh no, you don't.
Hey.
Get on the birthday girl, Dad. Hey, get on the birthday girl.
I do. I have it on her.